If you want to learn how to remove family link from your Google account, just keep on watching because we prepared a step-by-step tutorial for you. First step, open the Gmail application on your phone and then press the profile icon at the top right corner of your screen. Here, just press manage your Google account and then scroll to the left until you see the option people and sharing. Under people and sharing, you'll automatically see your family on Google. So what you have to do to remove an account, if you are the family manager, is just press the icon of the profile, and then under here you'll see cancel invitation, or in your case, remove from family. Also, if you are the family manager, you can press your own profile icon, and here you'll see the option to delete the family group. However, if you're just a member of the group, you might not have the option to remove a member or to permanently delete the family. On the other hand, just press the send invitation button to invite other accounts. And that's all for this video. If this helped you, don't forget to press like and subscribe.